Okay, there we go. Okay, we lost some stuff, but I just finished the fight. Yeah, no, I hate the robots. They're rough. I just sat there and possessed a bunch of them and fight each other until like get one to drop and then kill the other. I don't know if we killed everybody. I think we did. Ugh, messy. That was a long fight, and we didn't actually have a chance to really take a breather on it. Not a really complaint on my part, it's just a lot. I don't even know if we got everybody. Maybe we did, because I don't see any ships. Yeah. Hold up. Do we have any other places we're missing before I go? I don't want to miss any ammo and stuff. I think I've got everything. I think everything's fine. I could probably refill ammo and health and salt before I go. Yeah, I think we'll just do that. Let's do that first. Because I don't know what's going to happen next. I feel like we're getting close to the boss fight. But everything's good. Where is the shotgun? There's the sniper. Alright. Didn't do bad. I wish it wouldn't be so odd number of ammo. It strikes me as odd. Okay, let's go. I don't think it matters which side we go in, so let's go in this one. Whew. So much work. Oh, it's such a hard fight.
One more deck. Let me take care of this on my own.
No, I'm going with you.
Okay, just... She's not going to let you, like, take the brunt of this. Just accept it, but she is going to get herself hurt. There's no denying that.
Comstock is one deck up, in the Prophet's cabin.
I don't think this is going to be as easy as you think it is, kiddo. No. Like, I have a feeling he's either already dead, been dead for a while, or he's going to kill himself. I love the aesthetic of each of these games. So I love storyline too. Doing time, travel, and stuff is very easy to mess up. This is I agree. I do like the aesthetics. I like the fighting in this one more than I like the other two. But that was because the guns are a little bit easier to use. But that's to be fair. Oh, there's so much shit here. This is not good. This is going to be a fight. Sorry, I bumped the wrong button. I mean, I did just show spawn. I just sniped like 4 of you up here.
Look, Handyman!
Now.
Okay.
Yes, I do. Thank you. The only proper way to do what the handing does. Did we mess up his face? What if they explode? Man, that'd be so messed up. There we go. Nice. I hear you. Where are you? Might be in the room. Alright, let's go. We gotta go grab the guy. He's hiding from us. I have barely scratched the surface of this one. I've seen the entire playthrough and I'm familiar with the plot. Yeah. I watched it a long time ago, but I've never played Bioshock. This is the first time I played it myself. So, it is a new experience.
We got him!
Have you?
Shoot him!
Shoot! That's funny.
I'm out.
That's fine. You don't need to be out. You don't need to have it.
I'm gonna gut you like
Take this ammo.
Thank you. I like the shield, if it isn't obvious.
That's all I have.
That's fine. That's all I need. Sweetie, I don't ask that much of you. And if you're out, you're out. What are you gonna do? Can't make ammo rain. I like using the robots a lot. Keep using cover fire. This thing's gonna go down. I hope you know that, right? Be prepared to jump, okay? I have theories. I've not played. Like I said, I've not played this game myself. This is the first time I'm playing it, and I haven't watched the story in a very, very long time, so I don't remember any of this. But I'm telling you right now, we're going to have to run because this is going down. There's no way this thing isn't going to go down.
We can take that
bullfire.
skyline to the Prophet's cabin.
Yes, mother. That's what I love at the store. I love at the two tourists. I would hack everything from one, in 1 and 2. Yeah, this is true. I hacked a lot of things from 1 and 2 as well, because
You've come to
you
wipe
help.
your slate clean, false ship. But time will walk backwards before you find redemption. Some sins can't be forgiven.
Yeah. Yeah, like in 1 and 2 I hacked a lot because ammo was so much more harsh to get. This one's not that bad, ammo-wise. Why didn't you go in first? I think you should have went in first for her safety. More
This
than
is my tower. What's this? A siphon.
I saw this there. I could hear you singing from above. And the machine came to life in response.
And then in my mother's grave, there was a smaller one. They were draining me. Maybe that's why I can't.
Can't what?
When I was little, I used to be able not just to open tears, but I could create new ones. To anywhere I wanted to go. But in the tower...
Yes, I'll be right with you.
Yeah, they were siphoning your power, using it to power the city.
Stand back. I'm ending this.
Booker, no. This is between me and him.
You are walking into a trap.
I need to do this.
Come here, child. Oh, come on, I don't bite. My, oh my, how you have grown.
Tell me, what am I?
Look at you, child, you're
Hey,
a mess.
let go of her.
Elizabeth, everything I've done to keep you safe.
Safe from what?
The seed of the prophet shall sit the throne and drown in flame the mountains of man. But the archangel revealed something else. Beware, prophet. Beware the false shepherd, Booker DeWitt, for he shall be as a wall between her and destiny.
Why?
DeWitt, I'm a fool. I've sent mighty armies to stop you. I've rained fire on you from above. I did all of that to keep you from her. when all I needed was to tell her the truth. Ask him, child. Ask him what happened to your finger. Ask DeWitt.
Let go of me.
Ask him. Ask the false shepherd. Tell her. Tell her, false shepherd. Tell her the truth.
My hand.
Tell her. Tell
Please
her
let
about
go.
her finger.
She's your daughter, you son of a bitch! And you abandoned her! Oh, was it worth it?
Careful.
Huh? Did you get what you wanted?
Booker.
Tell me!
Booker.
Tell me!
It is finished.
Nothing is finished!
Booker.
You locked her up for her whole life!
Booker.
You cut off her finger!
Easy,
and you
easy,
put
easy.
it on me!
Booker, stop it! You killed him. What did he mean? Huh? You tell me, what did he mean about my finger?
I don't know. Yeah, I just assumed you were born with it. I don't know.
Your nose. It's bleeding.
What? Elizabeth, I swear to you, I have no idea what he was talking about.
You too. You just can't remember it.
No. I'll prove it to you. We'll destroy the siphon. The answer's behind one of your doors. You just have to open it.
Destroy the siphon? It's the entire tower, Booker. How are we gonna do that?
I don't know. But I'll think of something on the way.
Yeah. My favorite is explaining the camo in 1. Easy sneaking attacks and nobody will ever find me. There's an interesting way to earn her trust. This is an interesting way to earn her trust. I don't know. I feel like he should have, like, eased off, because even if he was, like, crazy, like, she wanted more answers. It was for her sake, not yours. Like, let her have her questionings. She wanted to know. I don't know. Like I said, he's done some things to him, but I think Booker should have, like, laid off a little bit.
Elizabeth?
It's one of those stupid things that play the music again. We're gonna have problems. You okay? No?
Cage. Cage, what is that?
Now what?
What is she trying to tell us? Cage. Cage,
The
I
bell.
see something.
They said they knew what was best for us.
Booker.
They said they knew what was coming next.
Booker!
Did you see this coming, old man?
Okay, we
Did
gotta
you
get
see
ready.
this coming,
They mean to
fuckers?
board us.
You ain't gonna place your daughter on the
bird.
throne. We're gonna place her in a grave.
Whoa, what are you doing?
We have to sing to him!
Sing to who? Elizabeth, stop it!
C-A-G-E! It's not a word, Booker! It's a song!
Ah. Cool.
Shh, it's okay. I'm here. Will you help me? I need you to protect me. Will you do it? Will you do this for me? Just this one last thing. Please. Go. Go, go, go! Booker, he'll help us. We can use him against the Vox fleet.
Okay.
Rocket's over there!
Need to see if we got any guns. We got kits here. Do you have anything else? You are now commanding Songbird to attack enemy threats. Oh my god, don't give me more mechanics in the middle of this. This is not kosher. Aim at the highlighted targets and press F to start attacking. Okay.
Booker, tell Songbird where to go.
Daisy Fitzroy said only a dog.
Booker! Over there! The box!
We need this thing to make it to Monument Island.
I am trying to let it do that.
Get the gunship!
Alright.
We need more time.
Okay. Oh, we have to keep track of the health of the ship too? This is gonna suck. That
Gunships!
Get ready! That one, now!
Done!
Oh.
He's ready, Booker!
yes, I'm trying to get it to do it, but it doesn't want to do it. Why is it letting me do it? Like, it's highlighting them, but it won't let me do it. I feel like he's standing still, maybe.
Catch, Booker! I've got
Appreciate it.
ammo!
They've put too many things on,
Listen,
Okay! I'll try to keep you stopped.
I hate this. This is so dumb.
They're on the bars!
I'm aware.
There's more of them!
I'm aware. I'm holding F and it's not letting me do it. I don't know why it's not letting me do it. I might need to change keybinds, so this is not working. I don't know. Hold it for a time. Hold it for a time? Are you kidding me? That's so long.
They fired the first shots. Today, we'll fire the last.
I hate that. So much stuff. Okay, you know what?
That's all I have!
Attack that gunship.
Jesus Christ, I have to hold still and do it? That's horrible. Why would you do that? This whole game has, like, guns and stuff in it.
Salt, here!
You thought the streets were paved with gold, but they are paved with blood, sweat, and tears. Our blood, sweat, and tears. But today, our tears become gold, and your tears.
Booker, he's ready! Zeppelin!
Zeppelin where? Oh, is it that one? The big one? I am holding.
Patriot, kill it!
Gunship now.
There we go. I don't know. It doesn't give me any, like, information.
Think there's more of them. Ammo, take it!
Thank you.
Songbird's ready.
Get up for him. I have to be, like, really close to it, I think, too. Nope. Nope. Isn't.
I'll try to keep you stopped.
really help, does it?
Here, bird.
Found ammo!
Cool, great, lovely. I don't give a shit.
Tell me where to send him.
I'm up here. I just can't deal with these.
I haven't found anything.
Well, you better find something. I kind of need a lot of ammo, but I really need other things. There we go. Found some. There we go. The F is not wanting to work on the Zeppelins at all, and I don't know what the deal is with it.
Where should I send them?
Over there.
There we go. See, it works from this distance, but it won't work from that
Where's
distance.
gears? I've got ammo.
Yeah. I don't think he's taking, Ugh. Robots are such a pain.
Patriot! Watch out!
We get rid of the Patriots for the love of all things. There's so many of them.
Songbird is ready, Booker.
Right there.
I'll see what else I can find.
No, I should have done the other one.
Booker, Songbird's ready.
Those who run once.
I need the bird.
Here!
So much destruction, not enough.
See the jailhouses. Burn down the mansions.
Booker, call him in.
Yeah, here.
Remember.
Clear the deck. Go ahead.
On it!
You can get it for later. Please tell me this is the end. It's not,
Call
but I want to.
Songbird in, Booker.
Get the Zeppelin.
This is gonna kill the bird, though.
Ammo! Catch!
I don't know if this is gonna matter for him.
The master fears nothing but the last. It will fall.
Take this!
Thanks.
I don't like the looks of this.
You're telling me.
That's all I have.
I hate melee in this. Melee in this is so much harder to use.
Wrap yourself up.
I don't have another choice. Oh, I hate this. Yes. Hurry up with this, please, for the love of all
Mr.
things.
DeWitt! Patriot, over there!
What the fuck? Why is this so messy? Can we not have this?
I'm looking for more.
I hate this. You need to sit the fuck down, leave me alone. Ugh.
Take this now.
Thank you.
This way.
Is it just weird because some of the links? Yeah. Some of them are. I don't know why.
Booker, he's ready.
Stop! Go for the zeppelin.
I've got ammo. Rockets, be careful. Stay with me, Booker.
Can we hurry this up a little bit? Come on.
It's all I've got. Here you go.
Got it.
I don't think the Ravens attack it, so... I don't think I have any other I can think of that will... Maybe that one.
I can help you.
And you?
Where should I send him?
The zeppelin, now!
God, I hate that. Ugh. I think this is the worst one I've had so far. Ugh.
Watch out, rockets!
Are you effing kidding me? Ugh.
Booker, tell Songbird where to go.
Hit that gunship.
Booker, over there! The box!
We need this thing to make it to Monument Island!
And what's before you now
See where it
is
went?
all that's left.
Booker, gunships!
Get ready!
Tell me where to send him.
Even I don't know where to send him yet.
Not ready.
I'll put you down.
There, the gunship.
There's more of them!
What they do? Just an old man telling tall tales and lies about how it ain't better.
If I can get humans, that'd be great, but it's not gonna be like that.
Take this!
That'll do.
Today,
Songbird's ready!
Okay, where's the other one?
Booker, here!
Much obliged.
Yes.
you thought the streets were paved with gold, but they are paved with blood,
sweat, and tears. Our blood, sweat, and tears. But today, our tears become gold, and your tears will become blood.
Zeppelin!
Yes, I see the Zeppelin.
Get the Zeppelin.
I've got ammo! Catch, Booker!
He's still there?
Yeah, still looking my ass. Ugh. I don't envy you in this area. I don't envy me in this area. This is the most worst thing I've ever seen. They should fire whoever made it because this is horrible. Such a crap way to design it.
I'm not ready. Booker, catch!
Great.
Salt! Booker, he's ready!
Right there.
And you can't place it down very well.
I don't like the looks of this.
I would just look at this.
I can call Songbird in, Booker.
Rise up, brothers! Get the gunship!
You have to stand put and do that. That's horrible. If it's one, I can do it.
Catch, Booker.
Got it.
That's all I have right now.
I didn't want to use that one. I wanted to use the lightning.
Where should I send him?
Fine. Just send him here.
Bird.
Stairs. You all need to die, and you need to die right now.
He's ready, Booker.
There, the Zeppelin.
There we go. God, it's so rough. You have to stand still and push out, which is horrible. I am busy, girl. Grab a gun and do something or something. Like, doesn't matter if there's a rocket. I can't do anything about it. There's a robot.
Here you go.
Much obliged.
Here, ammo.
Thank you. I'm trying to find ammo, but also
Booker, call him in.
okay.
Attack that gunship!
That's all I've got.
got it mixed up with a different one. I can do with people. I cannot deal with anything else. Oh, goodness.
Songbird is ready, Booker.
Okay.
The Zeppelin, bring it down.
Arrow, take this.
That'll do.
I'm so glad I have shields. Oh god, there's so many more crows running around. I'm looking for ammo really more than anything. Have we calmed the hell down? Jesus Christ. That was the worst thing ever. They didn't do too bad. Didn't do too bad in my butt. Jesus Christ, that was awful. Worst part of the game so far. It would have been more fun if it wasn't like, I don't know, it's the deck thing for me, I think, other than having all the robots come at you. Trying to get the thing to like, target the deck was hard. And then obviously, you have to sit still, and then if someone hits you, then it knocks you back, then you had that problem. Well, at least so far in this game, I've only died like 3 or 4 times, so at least it's not that bad. But still, I give this one a 1. As far as this particular fight. The rest of the fights have been fine. They all been around relatively an 8 or a 9. But this one was a 1. I'm not pleased.